Jamaica. It's Randy back again. Beautiful Manchester. I'm home. Back in the lovely, beautiful. Sun is rising from the east. So I get it early in the morning. And I'm back at the yard. Whew, no way. The garden is getting more beautiful. Showing my love and respect to my grandmother. So, back at the yard. Garden is beautiful. Life and everything. It's nice. This is Jamaica. Good life. We have some plantains over there. And then he planted some bananas. Yes. Flowers and oh, we have pear in the tree in the yard. Nice. And other flowers. It's the rainy season, you know. Let's take a little walk. So it's near 7 o'clock. And today we're gonna go to the bush at Baba. Gonna wear our sneakers halfway, but we're really gonna put on the water boot. Then he's planting flowers and beautiful things. And I want peace and tranquility in my life. I come back to Manchester. You see, we're gonna go up on the top. Now that we're filming all of this in 4K, we have to capture some beautiful scenery. Now, look at that beautiful sunrise. I want to stay here for a week and a half to just exercise and get my energy right before I go back into this world. Beautiful home being built here. Awesome builder. But look at this. Look at this beauty. It's a rainy season, so in this October everything is green and lovely. You know, it's funny, welcome to Norway. It's built right in front of my grandmother's house. That's her shop. At some point we're gonna reconstruct the shop, you know? And point. Yes. This is the place. The taxi's coming up. Taxis normally come up on thing. So you better be ready. Because they don't run out in here. There's Maki. You know, he fixed the shoes and thing for the family. You know? We're gonna take a stroll. Have the tripod up. Gonna make sure Marky gets look at this beautiful. This is a soursop tree. This is where I come for my healing. Life gets stressful. I want to rest. I have to come back home, you know? See? Yes. See? Fruit. That's a lot of ackee. Flies down. Manchester people. Well, go on. Yes, sir.
Your name again?
Run. I mean, man.
You know, so one of them me call your name.
Yeah?
Yeah? When your granny then dead.
That's how way back when.
When my sister then dead. I didn't come up in her.
Yeah.
I didn't come out of yard.
Yeah, man. Me and my friend.
Every day me call your name. And me I tell this somebody say, you know, so one somebody give me come out they can't sleep the night. And then care what spread come out they can't give me. And I know me had the spread.
Yeah?
Okay?
I remember. I know I remember.
I know me had the spread.
It clean, you wash it.
You hear me say? I know me already me bring up the argument to somebody.
Yeah, I remember, man. Cause you, me the rest of your place.
You up at when you set up night, it's up at then too crowdy.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
And you say I come out here, I can't sleep. And your beard,
Yeah.
and put on your clothes and go funeral.
Yeah.
And
Oh, yes, yeah.
and you spread where you cover with. You say me can't have it, man. I'll bread there, me bring up the argument to somebody and tell him. So I only you no more.
Yeah.
You say come up and fire.
Yeah.
And I said, why? So,
Who was that?
think I joke me I make?
Yeah.
I come like I say, me dream see you.
Yeah?
Yeah? So you that So me I say maybe the pan we are come.
Mm-hmm.
A long time and today na? And yesterday na? So whole life.
Life good. Life really good.
Mm.
Me have to come sit down with you. What time you come from bush?
When I come from bush till about the night 2 o'clock.
Can I have a buy you a drink, you know?
So I found it there.
Me just come yesterday.
You know, as I see you yesterday when I go, but me not text you.
Yeah.
No, believe you me. Me not text you, know.
Yeah, man, me then at the place.
Mm.
You know, say everybody say them live on YouTube because when I put them.
Yeah, my uncle come from foreign.
Yeah.
For me, that's what you were supposed to know him.
Yeah.
Maya.
Maya, yeah.
And he tell me, say, me never did you. They come out, come take it. The picture, they will look at thing. And he say the power for him for over there.
Yeah.
In come at the la, in come in,
Mm-hmm.
na, I believe in February.
Yeah.
That's it. And then come, man, you know, my son, man, and then keep walk past it, man, bike dance, bike show, walk up bike, I ride up, come back. Nice something, man. In there. 3D what I dance.
What you say, man?
Mm.
Him nice it up.
So, in my plan, if you could know February, that are the young, that are Jonathan.
Mm-hmm.
Come keep up the year again.
So people are come back.
You saw the Magalan with the house.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
So that means so if you come.
You know, my job is just to film it and get it out to beauty.
Yeah.
And me can do everything, you know. Me put them up on the map, you know, the world no, you know.
But guess what, man? But every time to you, Marlin and Pauline and the whole of the man say, watch it. See, my yard fix up in place.
Mm-hmm.
So come together.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not give me the money, then maybe come back and set up it. You understand?
Yeah.
Mm.
Place beautiful, man. What beer now? What beer? Not now beer now. December it come.
Well, you have some people are looking right here, you know.
Ripe, yeah.
And you have pear, you have. You can find one key and you can find one banana. You understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And some might be you find one look at orange, but you know, so direct sweet.
Yeah.
And you aki. Aki can eat with saltfish and everything.
But if I go borrow the spread, man, a spiritual thing, this, you know. Cause your dream.
You know, me say every day, me bring up the argument to somebody. And me I tell you somebody say, I bush you there too, you know.
Yeah.
Say, me know say you come out of yard. Me never hear your cousin there you come out there, but me know say 2 hours now. And you say, up here so too crowded. And me look on you and say, come man, we go tired. And you come out there, come sleep the night. I believe I pass. Me never there Saturday, me see there in belly. Sunday, but me know say you sleep and the man you get up. You come back now. And when you come back now, there, look, tell you come back out of the yard, come pay down and just down there and go up on the yard. You remember?
Yeah, man. I know somebody dressed nice.
But I didn't somebody
Yeah, I'm named Bobby.
that have your cousin.
I'm a virgin. Like a brother.
Right. I want you to come out the coat just and you put a white shirt and black pants in the area. A white shirt and black pants in the area. Which I remember. And out there you fix up, out there you ready.
Mm-hmm.
You know see. But when I detect the shot, they start to crinkle.
Yeah.
And you ask me say me a iron, me tell you say yes. And you put the shot on the bed and plug in the iron. And take out your crazy them.
Yeah.
You try remember. But
Yeah, man.
remember.
Yeah. Well, me know somebody did get help. Me know somebody stay at your place, man. And it's nice down there.
And you ain't sleep in one sort of thick spread.
Yes.
And you said, man, was when the Sunday evening, you just say, Tony, have it. I know you spread out there. Just let me tell you something, so. Take care of me, I tell you.
Would I love to see it, man. Would I love to see it. Come up me sleep last night without a spread.
I was to sleep.
Up there, sir. Up there.
Apart Denny.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me's a man, me like special spreads, you know? Energy. You see me? I'm sleep without a spread. I say, boy, I need a, this man, the last time I said, I forgot, me need a spread. Me need to go buy a spread. And then you come down the hill, you know. I ask you to the no and me have your spread. and a joke thing this, you know.
Let me tell you, I can tell you. I be either Thursday or Friday, me call the name.
This year weekend?
Yes.
Lord, boy.
And about 3 hours I walk. But then I hear somebody do something. And me I say, you know, it's a long time you know come here. And that me I tell you somebody, you know. Alright.
But you know me did come here. And you never really did recognize me.
You know me bring up the, you know me tell you say a long time you know come here, me tell you say, anytime you come here.
Mm-hmm.
You always give me 100, even you want $500, $200.
Yeah.
A pops.
Yeah.
Pops on a shot, it hats him back and me in front of me.
Yeah.
And me and say, right, I don't know what happened. A long time, you know, and Pops are telling me, say, when you go now, might be you must chop you go now, like our must Africa country, must our country.
Yeah, we're going to Africa.
You must be gone.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I asked him, say, the piece of land up there, and every part of them making house.
Yeah.
If you buy it from the man, really. I don't know.
Yeah.
But me just, for me know, say, your man love your mount. You understand?
Yeah. You know, some is a man, me love my peace and tranquility. I mean, like the crowd.
Me know, say, you love your mountain.
Yes.
You understand? And I tell Pops started.
Mm-hmm.
Pops say, boy, I mean, I know about your son come and your son come. You understand? I mean, Jim. Thanks. God bless you, man. And Pops tell me, so you must go to Africa. So then I ask Pops, say, you know the piece of land the Baba about this, sir?
Mm-hmm.
You know this part in the house?
Mm-hmm.
And I said, probably know, say you love the hilltop, you know?
Yeah.
You
You
understand?
remember me come and blaze up the fire? You remember that time?
I mean, know, say you love up at the hill.
Yeah.
And I said, right. But yesterday, when I come to shop yesterday, I see the person I go up, but I not penny.
Me go walk back over your yard for 10 minutes. Me have to see the spread. This is a story of the sheet. I hit talk to you, you know.
Eh?
I hit talk to you.
That may I show you. That may I show you, you know. You know, see, believe as me I tell the man, I say, I only you know. I say, come. And you come out here and say, boy, Tony, rest. And you sleep and anyway, there. You understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I see the nose to me come back up in here this morning. Eh?
First thing.
First thing.
Yeah. You call it, man.
Yeah, man.
You call it. You're connected. You see, the kindness where you would show me at that very crucial time, you know, was very important, you know. That the kindness there when we come along at your house, that time there, was crucial, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because It was hard to sleep.
Up there.
Run your, no man,
Up.
run your, ooh.
No,
It
remember
is tough, you know.
I say whoop at people, you know. You know, see? And I say, don't bother fret, man, come.
Yeah.
And him, I asked the man, you say, yeah man, you're good man. Yeah man. Yeah man, they have said we. You know, good no way. Just in the garden, yeah.
Yeah.
Set up the local farmer and everything, you know.
Look at this beautiful Jamaica. No, may I show Jamaica. Jamaica good life, may I promote. You live the good life. See there? Look how it's set. You have breadfruit, you have pimento. I feed them this?
Yeah, I'm there.
Are you this? Are you this? Are your whole property this? Right?
Yeah.
And your tank?
Yeah.
So you know the water in the tank?
Yeah, we no short of water.
Never?
The tank now with no water, but me have water down.
Okay. Yes, I this stay, man. You have pimento. Are you that? Banana and yam and... How much acres you farm otherwise?
You know, so I never count, you know, but me have a bush.
No?
No.
Family?
Me not have no, like, picking and everything, but me know, say, boy, me put in... You understand?
Yeah. So how old are you now?
You know, so me have 56.
56? So you are one of the legends around here, so you plan...
Baba them my companion.
Yeah.
I'm Baba them. I'm Baba them go to school, I'm Mackie them, man. My youth up, so I'm for a land. Yeah, man.
You come from far.
But I never give myself no hacking that. You understand what I mean?
You stay to yourself.
I never give myself like, you know, put up and so and so. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Me just neutral.
What month you born?
April.
April what date?
It's 50. 58.
No, what month, what day?
You know, so me not figure look at me.
Yeah.
Me just have to the paper. You understand what I mean?
Late in April, you Taurus?
But me no know, brother. Me don't know, but me never give myself no happy. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Kick out nothing.
Just live.
Yeah?
You just live.
The way I would do that. Yeah? You can't bother get to where put up yourself and say, why? So and so.
So nobody no bother you. You no bother nobody.
No give myself no happy. Oh.
No troublings.
No. Did I go and check me yesterday? Then now you go and check me Chiquita. And I'm do it and you do it, you know? For me there, I'm not going away yesterday.
Cook dinner for it today. Yes, the resting place, I will call it. The story of the spread.
See that? See spread there?
Yes, bring it outside. Yes, started. This is prophecy. This is historical.
See there?
Put it down, sir.
See there?
Yes.
A sunny one, a sun out.
Yes.
How long since, how?
All right. About 15 years ago, or 16 years ago, or 17 years ago, you know.
Hold on. So I'm not listen to nice, I'm not listen to So you say now, how long since when Man, when I don't have nonsense, no yata. When how long are there?
I'll stay here for a week.
Monday week, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Now come from bush in a day. Or 2 o'clock. So then me come from bush. Now friends him out we say you know not to recover.
Don't worry, man. We got it. I just didn't want to see it.
Then
You have some things.
See
Let me
there.
take picture of it.
See there.
Right.
See there.
Lord.
Try member.
Lord.
Try member.
Yes, man.
Try member.
Bring it down, man.
Eh?
Yes, man.
Part member said.
See the pattern them there. Yeah, man. You know when Bob Marley sing a song, Rockstone was my pillow. You see me? Bob Marley sung them and them sing it. This thing is like special way I said to me because when we are moved through, sometimes a sheet and a 8-yard pen pan for cover.
Me say, and this how you me put you,
Yeah.
to sleep,
Yeah.
You're friend,
Yeah.
And you carry it, and the son, I remember it was Saturday, at the funeral. The setup.
So, yeah.
And the Sunday at the funeral. And you look at me and tell me, say, Tony, you know, I say, don't I have it too crowded. And me can't get we have a rest and everything. You remember? And me say nobody afraid. And me carry you come out, you come, and you come like this, and you come sleep. And you carry that, you carry this. And the cinema when you get up. You get up. And when you get up now, you say, yeah, come back up. Come have a friend. I'm saying to you already. And me carry you in the bathroom there, so. Go have a friend. And you don't have a long sleeve white shirt.
Yeah.
And black pants. But the shirt, the entire time, wrinkle. And me put this, and you put the shirt on the bed there, so. I give the iron.
Yeah.
And you just take out the wrinkle and everything, and you go to funeral and come back. When you come back, when you go down, when funeral done with, and you pack up your sick name, me say, no sir, me nah bother me give this. You say, have this Tony.
Yeah.
You understand? And I read them, me down and shop and me bring up the argument to somebody say, how you, me see come from crying out for you there, and give.
Wow.
Take as me I tell you.
That is.
Yeah.
Me I
And
tell
I
you.
put them, me call the name.
Tony, it a go happen, you know. You go see me, let me tell you something.
Me I come. I've read them calling him. Read here. Me hat. Me hat. Hat said. Lad. Terry.
Terry was my virgin. Terry did up there.
Virgin.
Terry our pops.
No, man.
Them a argue.
We not deny that.
Every day them do it. Every week.
Every day. I said, Could me tell you now, say. Say, I've read them maybe. We call the name. And I say, wow, a long time, you understand what I mean?
Man, I come.
Eh?
You know, say me I come.
And Pops I tell me, say, maybe you're gonna want to
Africa.
Oh, Africa.
Yeah.
Now the country there. You know.
This is a Jamaican argument. That bring back a lot of memories for me.
Then I have nothing to live for. I just have to do internet money, man, in time. Just when they have money,
Yeah.
they are right. But just when the money done,
Yeah.
after the internet.
Okay.
So the boy, you know, they with the mama and they with the daughter.
You know the same yard?
You know, You're not supposed to know the youth, the man. One youth then called Randy.
Okay.
But he dead and gone.
Okay. There with the mother. And
That everybody there with the mama and there with the daughter. But he there with the daughter and get on picking with him. But the picking if know how look about we go to school. But he must not have no lunch money they know to get the picking. So that's why you see they catch up in the work for really really. But me not think pan and then they sit in me happy.
okay.
I'm glad to see you again. You understand? I'm not going to see you. I'm not going to see you again. I'm not going to see you.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So.
You go a legend, Master Rennie, a legend run your saying.
Good. So I'll show you now. You see that house down there?
Yeah.
Me know some picks up it door.
Mm-hmm.
You see that little piece of land in that damn grass, so? Right in that damn grass, so?
Mm-hmm.
One of my cousin, I go buy it.
Mm-hmm.
I went and buy it. And that the money I take fix up your house.
So let me ask you. You have other lands per high top of hill anywhere around here?
Land?
You.
There's more land in the back, so. I say all of the land I say there, you know.
Your land?
My grandfather people in land, you know.
Okay.
I say there, you know. And I open the princess on my land there. You go back, so. And every day I go there, I you chat out, walk out, and when you walk out, you know this part you go drop out.
Mm-hmm.
You know this part, all right, this is part named Mad Boy, the man from Mad Boy, then called Slim.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what, this, I'm good, this, just if you know old people, them, people miss to see the land, my berries, them, and you drop out, run at the rail. You know this part, the iron rail in there, wrong, so.
Okay. Where the car pass?
But the car pass,
Yeah.
the car then pass, the iron, one iron by so, iron railing go so.
Yeah.
I wanted that iron railing by so. I right wrong, so you drop out, you go bush and I come back.
Wow.
So may I tell you, take care, may I tell you. You know, so you love me, you know, may I tell you now, you know, like my Allah, I'm glad to miss you, man. We can't tell you the history. We can't tell you the history, right? But you understand what I mean? Glad to see you, man.
And then, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm glad to see you,
Then
man.
on the place and them didn't argue?
No, man. Up the summer, no, but I must say, see church there, no?
Yeah, them near to the church.
So one house there right, also.
Near to the church.
Near to the church.
So this is what I did